Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome, of course, to your daily update on Solana. Now, to be completely honest with you, I did doubt about, or I did hesitate whether I should make a Solana update, because if you take a look at the price, I mean, we're basically at the same levels as we were yesterday. I do think we have a little bit more confirmation, actually, to what I already expected. But apart from that, this analysis is mostly going to be the same. So if you watched the video yesterday and you still remember everything, I think it's a waste of time to watch this video. If you didn't, then there is value in this video to be derived. I hope, at least. Right, so right now Solana, I mean, obviously, fundamentally, Solana is still doing fine. I mean, we had a huge airdrop with Jupiter. Yesterday, Jupiter, unfortunately, failed to take off. Did get a bullish breakout, but that was it. Solana, though, is still making new highs in the total value locked. And you can see, I mean, Solana over the last like year has done exceptionally well. Like a year ago, total value locked was at around $266 million. Right now it's at 1.6. All right, so that's a 5x at least, even more, like a 6.5x. So Solana fundamentally is doing great, but then and it's a shame, but it is the truth. Solana technically is just very dependent on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin yesterday was very much up and down, and Solana too. I mean, it doesn't really look that way right here, but if you look at the 1 hour time frame, you can see it is the truth. It's up and down, and no conclusive movements, no big breakouts, nothing really happening. So altogether, I think the answer as to what to expect from Solana right now, I think it lays with the market structure. And the market structure for Solana right now, I think, is still a consolidation, all right? So you can see that we had a bit of a fake out right here, which Solana recovered very, very good from. But basically, we've been consolidating between 86 and 108 since the beginning of January, all right? So for almost a month right now. No, for a month at this point. And I told you this yesterday as well, like I said. But the only way to really get a breakout is if either Bitcoin becomes very bearish, all right, because Solana is very correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin gets very bearish, there is a chance that we'll actually have a bearish breakout under this range and that Solana will drop down lower towards $75. It's a possibility, but at this moment, it's not something you should be afraid of. And then the other possibility, which at these prices and at this moment, I would say is a little bit more likely, is that Solana gets a bullish breakout above this level right here, let's say 106, 104. And that, purely practically, that is a possibility, all right? It's possible that Solana breaks above that level. But what we would need to see for that is some momentum buildup. Either for Bitcoin, like if Bitcoin really starts to get some bullish momentum going, that would be great as well. But you also need to see something from Solana. And if you look at the open interest right now, obviously it's weekend, but that also means something. But the open interest and the volume just in general has continued to drop down over the last 24 hours. So with that dropping volume, I would say it's most likely will just function and move within this consolidation range, and a bullish breakout is not to be expected. Now, if we then look at where most of the liquidity is for Solana, I always think that's important to look at as well. What you'll see there is that it's also basically all over the place. There's quite a lot of liquidity to the upside, I would say, but there's at this point there's more to the downside. So I would say bearish momentum is what you should expect, but in general, it's I would not trade Solana right now. Maybe do some scalping, but I'm not that much of a scalper, so yeah, I couldn't advise you on that. But I would say expect some bearish momentum. That's in line with the market structure, that's in line with the momentum, and that's also in line with where the liquidity is. So that's what you need to know for now, I think. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more info on my Signal group and my premium group, but that's for you to check out if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.